Hello, and welcome to another remote work from home job just for you. Today, we're going to be talking about the social media support specialist position that's work from home. So, it pays $20 an hour wage with overnight shift differential and bonus opportunities. The equipment is provided, comprehensive benefits, including medical, dental, vision, and 401k savings plans, endless career growth opportunity, employee rewards and recognition programs, an exciting company atmosphere with a welcoming culture driven by diversity, inclusivity, and teamwork, wellness programs to help you maintain a better quality of life, and employee discounts programs. So essentially, what you will be doing is ensuring all service delivered meets contractual key performance indicators, the KPIs, clarify customer/user requirements, probe for understanding, use decision support tools and resources to resolve customers' issues that are non-standard, unstructured, and require for some clarification or conceptual thinking, maintain broad knowledge of clients' products and our service, troubleshooting time-sensitive issues, which can include campaigns, ads, and marketing, research and correct issues with payments and payment sources, ensure advertising campaigns are following all legal requirements, which may include the advertisers and organization spend, ensuring proactive and ongoing communication with users as the issue evolves throughout its case life, navigating internal stakeholder needs, both for the standards help desk and escalation help desk. So here are the skills that they want from any applicant. The ability to maintain tracking of all communications through phone, email, and chat, as well as those communications with others internal support team members. Ability to diagnose and flag both common and abnormal issues and escalate when appropriate. Strong written and verbal communication skills, ability to clearly document complex bugs and the steps to reproduce. Resolution mindset, proven experience helping users navigate the client online platform tools. 2 solutions. Meticulous attention to detail with strong organization skills with the ability to prioritize levels of urgency within an assigned caseload. Tolerance for repetitive work in a fast-paced, high-production work environment. Ability to work as a team member as well as independently and collaboratively. Demonstrate patience in all customer contact situations, including maintaining a pleasant and professional tone, both written and verbal. So minimum requirements, high school diploma or GED, at least 1 year of social media related experience is required. Additional customer service, technical call centers, and or sales experience is preferred. It's not required, but it is preferred. Able to rotate shifts as needed, flexibility for morning, evening, and possibly overnight shifts. Strong computer navigation skills and PC knowledge. Skilled in multitasking, including the ability to be flexible and adapt to changes quickly. A quiet and distraction-free location in your home to work. Completion of internet speed tests to ensure in-home internet meets our requirements will need to be submitted to determine eligibility. Equipment provided while working at home and is required to be returned if employment is ended. So essentially, you'll have this equipment for the duration of your employment. Employee may be asked to use their personal computer/tablet for the first week of employment at home during orientation while equipment is being shipped. So if this sounds like it will be the perfect fit for you, it pays $20 an hour, a wage with the potential of making even more, to be a social media support specialist, work at home. I'll put the link right below so you can apply right away. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a best remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.